When you study alkene and when you study alkenes addition reactions and there is HBr and other protic acids addition reactions, then you have to keep in the mind the rule is there followed which is known as Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. First we have to understand what it is and how this happens. So if you see, this is alkene CH3CH2 and say there is HBr addition. So normally what happens, HBr dissociates into H plus and Br minus. So you have to keep in the mind that H plus will move toward the carbon which is having already more hydrogens. So here is double bond, so obviously this H plus will going to add on this carbon or on this carbon. It will be going to add on this carbon because it is having more hydrogen. So here it is shown, and because it will be added here, so it is positively charged, so it requires negative charge, so electron will shift here, so hydrogen will connect here. Obviously this will make this carbon positively charged, which is carbocation, then Br will connect here. So this way hydrogen to the carbon which is already having hydrogen, and counter ion Br minus is connected to the next carbon. So this is simple Markovnikov rule, very simple to remember, that in addition of alkene reaction, H plus will added to the carbon which is already having more hydrogens. Anti-Markovnikov rules is exactly opposite. Here the bromine is not connected to the middle carbon like here it is, but this carbon, terminal carbon. Why it is so? Because this reaction followed free radical mechanism. The first step is formation of bromine free radical, then this free radical will connect to this terminal carbon because this will create tertiary free radical of carbon which is comparatively more stable. So instead of connecting bromine here, it will connect here because it will form tertiary free radical, and then hydrogen free radical will connect and we will get this opposite product. But even though we are seeing this to opposite product, the basic thing is similar, that intermediate form, here tertiary carbocation and here is tertiary free radical, they are stable, and therefore the reaction takes place this way. Here this is called Markovnikov rule and this is called anti-Markovnikov rule.